In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download LifeLock. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, or the App Store if you are on an iPhone or iPad. On your screen, you will see the familiar icons for each of these stores, usually found on your home screen. The Google Play Store icon looks like a colorful triangular play button, while the App Store icon is a blue square with a white letter A inside. This step is crucial because it's the starting point for downloading the LifeLock app. By accessing the correct store for your device, you ensure that you are looking at the right applications available for download. Next, you will need to search for the LifeLock Identity app by Norton. In the search bar, type LifeLock Identity by Norton and hit enter. You will see a list of search results. It's important to be precise with your search term to ensure that you find the correct app quickly. This app is designed to help protect your identity, so finding the right one is key to accessing those vital features. As you search, look for the app that clearly states it is provided by Gen Digital Inc., which may be listed as Norton Mobile on the Google Play Store. This verification is essential to ensure you are downloading a legitimate app from a trusted publisher. Once you locate the app, tap on Install if you're on Android or Get if you're using an iPhone or iPad. This button is typically located near the app's name and icon. Tapping this button will initiate the download process. It is a straightforward action, but it is a critical step. This is where the app starts to get downloaded onto your device. Once you've tapped this, just be patient as the app begins to download and install. You might see a loading icon or progress bar indicating the download status. This visual feedback assures you that everything is functioning correctly. If prompted, authenticate your download. For Android users, this usually involves signing in with your Google account. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, you might need to use either Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple account password. This step is important as it verifies your identity before completing the download. It adds a layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can download apps. After you've successfully authenticated, you will see the app continue to download and install. Now wait for the app to complete its download and installation. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, you may see a confirmation message or an app icon appear on your home screen. This confirmation is reassuring, indicating that you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap Open to launch the LifeLock app. This action takes you directly into the app where you will begin the setup process. Upon opening the app, you will likely be greeted with a welcome screen. This is an exciting moment as it signifies that you are almost ready to start protecting your identity. Finally, sign in with your existing LifeLock account or enroll in a LifeLock plan to begin using the app. If you already have an account, enter your login information promptly. If you are new to LifeLock, you can follow the prompts to sign up for a plan. This part is significant because it allows you to access all the identity protection features that LifeLock offers, such as monitoring your identity and receiving alerts about potential fraud. Note that while the LifeLock app is free to download, you need an active LifeLock or eligible Norton 360 with LifeLock subscription to access its identity protection features. This subscription is what allows you to utilize the app's full capabilities, helping to monitor your identity and safeguard your personal information. Now you are all set to use LifeLock. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with enhanced identity protection.